Right now, the world sentiment score is at plus 0.09, but what's really grabbing our attention is the momentum at plus 0.31. This is a spike that stands out significantly from the historical baseline. It indicates a growing optimism that hasn't been seen recently, which could mean shifts in public sentiment you might want to tap into. Our API provides you with real-time insights on topics like this, returning sentiment scores, momentum, and even semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances behind the data. For instance, if you're developing a news aggregator, you can use this spike to highlight trending topics, driving engagement and user interaction. Want to dive deeper? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this momentum together.